Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into a topic that's straight out of a sci-fi novel but quickly becoming a reality. Directed energy weapons, or DEWs. These high-tech marvels use concentrated energy like lasers or microwaves to take down targets without a single bullet. Sounds like something from Star Wars, right? Let's break it down. Directed energy weapons come in various forms, but the most exciting ones are laser-based. Imagine a beam of light so powerful it can melt steel or bring down drones mid-flight. Companies like Lockheed Martin and Raytheon are leading the charge in this field. Lockheed Martin's Helios system, for instance, is being designed for the US Navy to counter drone threats. It's like having a lightsaber on a warship. But how do these things work? In simple terms, a DU focuses energy onto a target, heating it up until it fails. Lasers can burn through materials, while microwave-based DEWs can fry electronics. No more solid projectiles, just pure energy doing the job. Now, if you're picturing handheld laser guns, I've got some news for you. While the tech is advancing rapidly, we're still a bit away from practical handheld DWs. Most systems today are larger and designed for mounting on ships, planes, or ground vehicles. The good news? Companies are actively working on miniaturizing this tech. Think about it. Future soldiers might be equipped with laser rifles straight out of Halo. Raytheon, for example, is developing ultra-high-power DEWs for the US Navy and Air Force. These systems are intended to take down incoming missiles and enemy aircraft. Imagine the possibilities. Instead of firing a missile to intercept another missile, you'd simply zap it out of the sky with a focused energy beam. Now, you might be wondering about the challenges. Power supply is a big one. DEWs require a lot of energy, which means developing compact, high-capacity power sources is crucial. Cooling systems are another hurdle. These weapons generate a ton of heat, and keeping them cool is no small feat. But the potential benefits are huge. DEWs offer pinpoint accuracy, reduced collateral damage, and virtually unlimited ammo, just as long as you have power. Plus, they're incredibly fast. A laser beam travels at the speed of light, making it almost impossible for targets to evade once in the crosshairs. So, while we may not have handheld laser guns yet, the future of warfare is undeniably headed in this direction. The line between sci-fi and reality is blurring more every day. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this dive into the future of warfare, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep imagining the impossible.